style letter O, it's slightly different than doing the oval. So you're gonna start right here and you're gonna go down with heavy pressure, up with light, and then around with heavy to light. And for the lowercase, you will do the O. So we'll start at that 1 o'clock, light, heavy, light, and then you can do heavy, light. Alternatively, for this one, you could keep your top swoop all light. So we've got, if we did that, we would be heavy, and then just stay light all the way around. Same for this. You could go light, heavy, light, and then keep the detail light. And so you can see what that looks like better. I'm gonna select it and move it over. So again, just a more delicate look at the top there. Same exact thing with the slanted one, except for we're working on an angle. Heavy, light, heavy, light. And then again, 1 o'clock, light, heavy, light, make our oval, and then add the loop. And you can do the same thing here. I'll try to work off page this time. So we'll do light, heavy, stay light, 1 o'clock, light, heavy, light, and then stay light.